Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching and welcome to BPTV News. In the headline for today, Binh Phuoc had 93 disease-free poultry farms. People Military Hospital 16 received third-class labor medal. Prime Minister chair government's meeting on law building. Singapore launches vaccinated travel lane with Vietnam. Đắk Lắk arrests for Gong culture reservation. Ladies and gentlemen, the Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development, in cooperation with the People Committee of Binh Phuoc Province, held a conference recently on guaranteeing that local farm raising poultry and livestock for exports are disease-free.
Vietnam currently has 3,705 livestock and poultry farms certified as being free of disease. In particular, cities and provinces in the southeast region have built 575 poultry breeding facilities and 567 pig breeding facilities that meet hygiene and disease safety standards. Binh Phuoc has 93 poultry farms with more than 7.5 million chickens and 307 pig farms with more than 1.4 million heads. 61 poultry farms and 112 pig farms have been recognized as being disease-free. It has established 6 districts with disease-free zones. At the same time, the Jaffa company has built a safe pork production line for export. A production line of safe chicken for export has also been opened by the CPV Food Company Limited, shipping 50 to 100 million chickens a year.
Hội nghị hôm nay là học hỏi kinh nghiệm, chia sẻ từ các ngành, từ các công ty.
Today's conference is great opportunities for our company. We've been able to learn from the experience of other companies. Jaffa Confit Vietnam want to add a raw poultry and pig farming area in Binh Phuoc to plans in the 2022-2024 period to meet disease safety standards and be eligible for export.
Cho mà giai đoạn 2025-30 là đạt cái tiêu chuẩn là tổ chức thú y thế giới. Lúc đó chúng ta có đủ điều kiện để mà xuất khẩu.
In response to the requirements of international integration, links between export processing enterprises and owners of farms and livestock establishments meeting disease safety standards have been strengthened under a resolution from the 12th Provincial Party Congress.
The Medical Center of Chân Thành District in Binh Phuoc Province is actively speeding up the injection of the third dose of COVID-19 vaccine this year under local regulation.
The Truyền District Health Center is closely cooperating with communes and towns to administer this third dose, with a total of 6,352 doses available, including 4,146 Pfizer and 2,206 Moderna vaccines for people 18 years of age or older and workers at industrial parks and production facilities outside industrial zones.
People Military Hospital 16 of Army Corps 16, located in Dong Xoài City in Binh Phuoc Province, held a ceremony recently in 2022 and received a third-class labor medal.
Over the past 20 years, People Military Hospital 16 has promoted glorious traditions, building a team of doctors that are bright in medical ethics, good in medicine skills, deep in medicine theory, and successfully completed the task of examining and treating soldiers and people in the area. It was also active in the prevention and control of the COVID-19 pandemic in Binh Phuoc and nearby Binh Phuoc Province and Ho Chi Minh City. Colonel Lê Quang Sao, Secretary of the Party Committee and Deputy Commander of Army Corps 16, suggested that the Party Committee and the hospital's Board of Directors continue to build a team of qualified officers, staff, soldiers, medical staff and doctors, improve medical ethics, spirits of service, and professional skills, and be ready to complete all tasks in all situations.
Ladies and gentlemen, law building should keep up with the reality and deal with emerging issues. Prime Minister Phạm Minh Chính said at a cabinet meeting on law building in Hanoi on March the 4th.
The government meeting on law building the third of its kind since the beginning of this year, looked into proposals and reports regarding feedback on 5 bills and 1 draft resolution of the National Assembly. The bills under consideration are the draft law amending and supplementing some articles of the law on radio frequencies, the draft law on domestic violence prevention and control revised, the draft law on forces participating in the protection of grassroots security and order, among others. Prime Minister Truyền said the law-building work must ensure that all resources are mobilized for development and cover all groups of people to be regulated, stressing the need to cut administrative procedures to facilitate law enforcement. He urged ministries and heads of agencies to work harder to accelerate law building and improve its quality, and requested law compiling agencies to seek opinions of ministries and agencies on new and contentious contents. Law building is a hard task that requires adequate investment mechanisms and policies, he stressed.
As Vietnam is scheduled to reopen its border to international tourism from next month the 15th, Singapore has decided to launch the vaccinated travel lane with Vietnam, restoring two-way quarantine-free travel.
In an announcement on March 4th, the Civil Aviation Authority of Singapore said vaccinated travel pass applications for travelers from Vietnam will open at 10 a.m. Singapore time on March 13. Short-term visitors and work permit holders eligible to travel on the vaccinated travel pass must apply for a pass to enter Singapore under the vaccinated travel lane. Fully vaccinated Singapore citizens, permanent residents, all other long-term pass holders and in-principle approval holders, and children aged 12 years and below in the calendar year do not need to apply for a pass to enter Singapore under the vaccinated travel lane.
The Vietnamese manufacturing sector continued to recover in February, with growth accelerating and confidence remaining unaffected, according to Information Handling Service Markets.
In a report released on March 1st, IHS Markit said Vietnam Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index posted 54.3 in February, up from 53.7 in January, and signaling a pickup in growth for the 4th month running. Business conditions have now improved in each of the past 5 months, following the disruption caused by the Delta wave of the COVID-19 pandemic in 2021. According to the report, the improving growth momentum overall was again supported by stronger customer demand. New orders increased sharply and the rate of expansion quickened to a 10th-month high. The report noted supply issues continued to constrain output growth, however. Although manufacturers increased employment for the 3rd month running in February, the rate of job creation remained modest due to the pandemic.
For generations, the gong is of great importance to Highlands community in region in general and Đắk Lắk in particular. The province had decided to spend nearly $880,000 to boost gong cultural preservation and development.
Located in the heart of the southern reaches of the Central Highlands, Đắk Lắk province is home to nearly 1.8 million people, including members of 47 ethnic minority groups. The province has nearly 2,100 sets of gong, 3,855 solo gong players, 393 gong tuners, and 655 gong teachers. To prevent the gong cultures from falling into oblivion, the province will promote the enhancement special cultural heritage by multimedia and recreate unique traditional festivals associated with gong culture. It will also develop community-based tourism, research and teach ancient gong tunes from the Adu and unknown ethnic minority groups to the younger generation. Đắk Lắk hopes to have gong teams and classes in non-ethnic minority villages and to promote the preservation and development of the local gong culture.
That's all for news today. Thank you for watching BPTV News. Goodbye and see you next time.